video, we'll be learning about malware and antivirus. Types of malware. Trojan Horse. It is a destructive program which behaves like a useful application. Trojan horses do not replicate themselves, but they can be just as destructive. One of the most subtle types of Trojan horse is a program that claims to rid your computer of viruses, but instead introduces viruses to your computer. Some computer games are even Trojan horse viruses. The term comes from the Greek story of the Trojan War. The image is here. Trojan horse may do the following. Log all your keystrokes and then send the details to a remote computer or a server, especially to capture your passwords. Allow someone else to take control of your computer while you are online. Capture screenshots and send them to a remote computer, once again with the intent of obtaining confidential information such as financial screenshots. Some popular Trojan horses are NetBus, Sub7, Beast and Zeus. Or Zeus. Worms. In a computer, a worm is a virus which does not alter files but resides in the active memory and duplicates itself. Worms use parts of an operating system that are automatic and usually indivisible to the user, or invisible to the user. Worms are usually noticed only when the uncontrolled replication consumes system resources, slowing or halting other tasks. Worms do not need a host program in order to run, self-replicate, and propagate. Once a worm has made its way into the system, usually via network connection or as a downloaded file, it can then make multiple copies of itself and spread via the network or internet connection, infecting other computers and servers on the network. Since each subsequent copy of a network worm can also self-replicate, infections can spread very rapidly. Spyware. Spyware is a kind of virus which is specifically designed to infect computers for spying. This means spyware seeks and steals all personal information stored on a computer. Spam. Spam is junk email sent indiscriminately in bulk, often for commercial purposes. It is often sent to a list obtained by companies that specialize in creating email distribution lists. According to various estimates, about 80% of all email in the world may be spam. Some ways of avoiding spam are: do not give your email address to unknown people. Use a spam filter of your email protection program to block unwanted emails. Delete spam mails without reading them. Phishing. Phishing is a type of spam email where the sender tries to steal sensitive information by pretending to a trustworthy organization or a person. It tricks users into giving up their username, passwords, credit card numbers, and other personal information. You should never reply to any spam or phishing emails. Hacking. Computer hacking is the practice of manipulating the normal behavior of a computer hardware and software. People who engage in computer hacking activities are called hackers. Many hackers enjoy programming and learn more about how computers work. For these individuals, computer hacking is a real-life application of their problem-solving skills, not an opportunity to harm others. Some corporations actually employ computer hackers as part of their technical support staff. These individuals use their skills to find flaws in the computer security system so that they can be repaired quickly. Computer hacking can also lead to other constructive technological developments, since many of the skills developed from hacking apply to more mainstream pursuits. For example, former hacker Dennis Ritchie and Ken Thompson went on to create the Unix operating system in the 1970s. However, some hackers have less noble intentions. Hackers who steal personal information, change a corporation's financial data, break security codes to gain unauthorized network access, or conduct other destructive activities are sometimes called crackers. Malicious attack on computer networks are officially known as cracking, while hacking truly applies only to activities having good intentions. Antivirus. What is an antivirus software? An antivirus program is a utility software designed to prevent, search for, detect, and remove software viruses and other malicious software like worms, trojans, adware, and more. If and when a virus is detected, your computer displays a warning asking what action should be done. It is vital to install an up to date antivirus because without one, a computer will be infected within minutes of connecting to the internet. There are several different companies that build and offer antivirus software that perform some basic functions as given below. Scan specific files, allow users to schedule scans or automatically run, allow users to initiate a scan of a specific file, computer, or a CD or a flash drive at any time, remove any malicious code detected. Antivirus companies have to continually keep up to date with the largest pieces of malware, realizing definition updates that ensure the malware is caught by their programs. Antivirus labs use a variety of tools to disassemble viruses and release timely updates that ensure users are protected from the new piece of malware. How does an antivirus work? After installing an antivirus program on your computer, it should automatically start each time you boot your computer. If the antivirus program does not run in the background, your computer is not fully protected. Right-clicking or double-clicking the antivirus icon opens the program and allows you to manually start a scan and view other available options. How to protect your system against viruses? Restrict access to your system both offline and online. Only allow trustworthy users to use the system. Install and use antivirus software to scan your system daily or weekly and keep it updated. Not using software that has been copied. Backing up your system regularly so that you can recover your data with clean copies. Scan files that you download from the internet. Never click on a link or attachment in an email unless the email is from a trusted source. Install a free firewall program to help block unwanted internet traffic which can cause problems. Make sure that the firewall is always on. If you get a malicious script from a web page you do not know what to do, or if a window appears asking if you want to allow an automatic install, click no. Now you can protect your computer. In the next video, we'll be learning about different types of antivirus software and firewall. Thank you and have a nice day ahead. See you next week.